always dreamed of playing the piano, but dreams and reality, they don't always harmonize. There I was, face to face with this beautiful instrument, and I felt lost. The frustration was real. Those notes might as well have been hieroglyphics. Sheet music became my nemesis, a jumble of lines and dots that refused to make sense. I hit my low point. Maybe I just wasn't cut out for this. So I did what any rational adult would do. I quit. At work, I was unstoppable. Presentations, piece of cake. But at home, that piano stood there, silently judging me. Social media didn't help. Everyone else seemed to be nailing Beethoven while I struggled with Mary Had a Little Lamb. Sleepless nights became my new normal. Was I too old? Too busy? Just not good enough? Even on my commute, I couldn't escape. I wondered if I'd ever make music of my own. Stress at work? Through the roof. Maybe I should stick to spreadsheets and forget about sonatas. Then, during a much-needed break, I stumbled upon piano guidance. Skeptical? Sure, but intrigued. Suddenly, practice didn't feel like a chore. It felt like progress. I found myself sneaking in quick lessons whenever I could, even at work. Don't tell my boss. And then it happened. The notes started making sense. My fingers were actually cooperating. For the first time, I felt confident at the keys. Like maybe, just maybe, I could do this. So I did something crazy. I decided to live stream my playing. Me, the same person who used to break into a cold sweat at the sight of a keyboard. As I played, something magical happened. It wasn't perfect, but it was mine. The smile on my face, that was real. I did it. I actually did it. Now, when I sit at the piano, I don't see an impossible challenge. I see possibility. I see growth. I see me.
This has been a dramatized reconstruction. Any resemblance to real persons is purely coincidental. Any resemblance between the various Alexes you saw is also coincidental. But if you related to her journey, whichever version, maybe it's time to dust off that old keyboard. And while you're at it, why not like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out the description for more info. Who knows, you might just find your own piano guidance there.